Hello and Merry Christmas! It's Felix the Cat again. We are glad to have everyone visit the display. We hope you will remember a few things while viewing the lights. Please turn off your headlights, do not blow your horn, and if there is a long line, please watch a song or two, then allow others to have your spot. You are welcome to come back as often as you like, as the display will run till New Year's. While you're out looking at the lights, head on over to the Carter Christmas Lights at 1183 Arnold Lane in Hiram. Just take Highway 92 past the Catfish Den, and the second red light, turn left on Morningside Drive. You're almost there. Turn left at the stop sign, and the Carter's Christmas Lights will be on your right. We thank everyone for coming, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. By the way, let us know how you thought of the display. Just send us an email at the Felix Family Light, without the S, billsouth.net. Now let's get back to the show.